So, yes, if you are in second grade, we're going into Google Classrooms this week, and you're going to see something called Photos for Timeline. If you click on it, well, do you want me to print out some photos for your timeline? Then add a slide to this Google presentation. Add your pictures to it, and Ms. Driscoll will print it out and deliver it to you as soon as she can. So, if you click on that document, it opens up a Google presentation, and I already did a couple as an example. Andolyn is doing Amelia Earhart. So I put Andolyn's name on the slide, I put Amelia Earhart's name on the slide, and I put up to 3 pictures of Amelia Earhart on the slide. So I can print this out. Andolyn can cut them out with a pair of scissors and paste it to her timeline. Very cool. Here's another example. Naima told me she's doing Rosa Parks. Now, these pictures don't fit as nicely on the slide, but it doesn't really matter because we're going to print it out and cut them out with a pair of scissors. You can also move the pictures around on the slide if you think you can get them to fit better, maybe get some bigger pictures that way. You can also change the size of the pictures by clicking and dragging on the corner and pulling or pushing it down or up. You can also do that with just the side or the top or the bottom, but it doesn't really look as nice, so I don't want to actually do this. So I'm going to go over here and click on the undo button. It's like an arrow that goes backwards. I can also hold down Command and Z on the keyboard and undo, but let's go back to this. Your picture will look better if you grab the corners instead of the top, bottom, or sides to change the size. Here's an example that hasn't got any pictures yet. Aubrey told me she's doing Sojourner Truth. So to get pictures of Sojourner Truth, I would go to Insert, Image. Image means the same as picture. And there's a few ways to get images in. The best way will be to search for them. And I'm going to search for Sojourner Truth. Spelling matters when you're spelling a person's name, by the way. Now, Sojourner Truth is from a time in history where any actual photographs of her will probably be in black and white, and that's okay. You also have to be careful because if I hover the mouse over here, this is not actually Sojourner Truth. It's Mary Eliza Mahoney. But she has some similarities to Sojourner Truth, and they were from the same time in history. So you have to be careful that the pictures you actually choose are the people you're looking for. No one's going to think Frederick Douglass is Sojourner Truth. So let's get this picture of Sojourner Truth and arrange it how we would like. Cool. And Aubrey can add more pictures as she likes. Andolyn and Naima can also add more pictures if they like. And if you got a picture you put in and you don't want it anymore, you can click on it and press delete on the keyboard. I'm going to bring that back though. I have tried to add everyone a slide for everyone, so you're going to find the one, but notice I did not add for everyone in this class yet. So if I did not add your slide, you can press the plus sign, put your name on the slide, and then put the famous person that you're doing your project about. And then you can insert and add pictures, and we'll be able to, when we print it out, I'll know who to give it to. Make sure your name is on your slide, so when it's printed out, I know who it goes to. All right, so any questions? If you need help, raise your hand. Take it slow because we're going to have everyone editing this document at the same time. If you accidentally delete somebody else's work, remember to use the undo key or button. And if you accidentally undo something and you need to redo it, you can also click redo. It's the opposite of undo. Redo, do it again. Undo, make it so it didn't happen. Don't worry about saving it. It saves automatically as you work. I will be printing this out as soon as I feel most people are done.